We're at the Humane Society in Kauai, and one of my favorite things is that they have these little kitten rooms that you can go in and play. Come here, say hi. So yeah, and then they have the dog rooms. So then the dogs, they have some, you can kind of see the dogs over there. Let's see. There, so there's some puppies inside and outside. I got this little kitten. Come here, buddy. Come here, little one. Oh. Come here. Oh, you're too cute. We're playing with the food. So yeah, it's a super cute facility. So you get locked in this, or well, it's not locked from our side, so you can go out. And then you get to select which kittens you want to play with. And they have 2 rooms. This is actually the kitten side. And then they also have a cat room across the hall. And then they have all the dogs, and you can do the same thing. And then the really cool thing is that you can actually check some of the dogs out for the day, and they get to go on field trips. So you'll see certain beaches around the island, the dogs have this little pack on it. It says like, we're on a field trip. So they're adoptable, and they can even send them back to the mainland if you're on vacation and you fall in love. So super cool adoption programs here at Kauai Humane Society. And there's this little cutie pie. Bye, little one. Okay, aloha.